You are watching a short guide on how to buy shares of Huntington Ingalls Industries Inc. Huntington Ingalls is a major U.S. shipbuilder listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HII, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy HII, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HII to find the company listing. Make sure you select the Huntington Ingalls Industries Inc. equity from the search results. On the stock page, review the basic company description and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker HII before moving on. To place an order, click Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio view where you can monitor it. The link to the platform is in the description if you want to visit eToro for more information.